Hello and welcome to this video with we're back with more Little Nightmares. Last time we finished a chapter. I have hugged 0 gnomes and I smashed 2 statues. So if there is gnomes, I'm lost. And these are closed. But let's continue. Resume game. I completely forgot how to play this game. It's gonna be interesting. Okay. Let's go up these stairs. Oh! Never mind. Oh my god. It's the point of view, it's weird. Okay, but I could run. How the flashlight is F or the lighter. Okay. How do I could do something. Okay, this is how you look. So we can go this way. Or we can go upstairs. And I think we should try going up. Just you know, just to see what is up here. So, is this something I can jump up on? So now I'm over here. I don't think it actually does anything. What about this door here? No, is there anything I can push? No, there's not. Okay. Never mind, we will keep on going upstairs. Okay, so there's like 2 ways now I can go, I think. Can I look inside? So there's this place. And there's a place downstairs. Oh, I don't know what to go. So I don't think you can really go away from there. Like, it did look like there was a way back out the window. This door is at least open. I think. Okay, but there's blood here. Oh my god. Where am I supposed to go? I think we're just going to go this way. No! Why? I'm scared. Why did the door open? Or something inside? I can't figure out how to do 3D space. Ah! Okay, I can't go in. Then what am I supposed to... Oh! Oh, there's this. So maybe I can... There's like a yeah, this... Maybe I can push this chair onto the platform? Yeah, look at me using my big brain. There's a big eye. Shut up! There's a big eye. There's a gnome over here. No, Nomi, I just want to hug you. Okay, so there's this big eye, and we know that eyes that look aren't that good because last time we got turned into stone. Last time we got turned into stone when I was looking at us. So, but I want to... Oh, what the heck? So we ran through here last time. It's like small kids, I think, laying. We ran through it, and I didn't notice, I didn't comment on this because there was a spooky, scary guy. So why were you seeing this? So like there's somebody that is here in this room, not right now. And there's a chair, so they're just sitting and looking at these children. That's a bit weird. Disgusting. Okay. Is there something here I should look at? I don't think so. I think we're just going to go up the stairs again. Let's go. Oh, there's more gnomes. Gnomey. I don't know where the gnomes... The gnomes went this way, I guess. But before I do that, I want to just look a little bit here. Everything is so tall. So there's a tall one living here. Oh, I see the picture. Instead of a mirror, he has a picture of himself. He was somebody with long arms. There's also there's no picture, so there no gnomes exist. But there's also some guy here with a chef hat. There's a chef person. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's just pains. Oh my god. My heart, I think it's just pains, but I see a key. I think it was important for us to see a key. Maybe the key is gonna be used for something, but I don't know. I died. I don't know what the keys, how the keys are used. I should get the key some way, right? But I don't know how. So I don't know if she should take that. What? Did you hear that sound? Is there somebody coming? I don't hope so, please don't. I found a bed so I can get up here. No, that was not what I wanted to do. Ah! Okay, let's just go all the way up then. Okay, like this. And then we fall down here. And then we have the key. How do I throw? Was it like... Okay, with space you throw. No, take the key with you. No, take the key with you. Oh my god, don't say I've bugged the game. Oh my god. But maybe we can just glitch it. Yeah, let's go. Oh no, it's because you have to hold. Oh, I'm so stupid. If you let go, the child is gonna let go. So you have to keep on holding. I'm so scared of what we're going to find here. Let's just peek ahead. No, okay. I want to throw it like that, okay. What is going on? Okay, so I see the key is here. But before we do that, there is gnomes somewhere. They don't want to be here anymore. They want to hug the gnomes. I got told that I should hug the gnomes, so I want to hug the gnomes. But I don't think I'm going to hug the gnomes. Maybe up here? No, it's not really something you can crawl on. So let's just continue. How do I use? Just go close to it. Okay, okay. Fuck, I'm so scared. No, it's going to close on me. Stop. Okay, there's a monkey. I don't trust the monkey. So we got a monkey. And we got a button. I think we have to do that, yeah. Ew, shut up. I really don't like sounds in this game. Okay, then what? Oh, we have to take the monkey with us again? A loyal companion, this monkey. And we have to do the button. Yeah, okay. So I see a little place here. Is there anything inside here? No. There's like... There can be two of me in here. Look. Okay, let's go out. Ew, is that a rat? There's rats. Don't like the rats. Oh, I'm hungry. Maybe I like the rats. Oh no, don't say there's leeches. Oh, no, there's not leeches. Okay, I thought there was leeches. Ratty! This is a very bad place to be hungry. Lovable rat! Oh, there's like light stuff here. There isn't really anyone to save us. I think I'm just going to die. Yeah, I'm just going to die. Spooky music. Is there a rat up there? Can I just get that? There's a bunch of rats. Oh my god, this looks like a trap. There's a rat there. This is so much like a trap. But thank god I didn't have to eat the rat. Should we go in? This just for a quick snack, right? We need to. Yeah, and then go down. Then go. I can't go out. Okay, there's nothing happening. Nothing happening. Just eating. Something happened.